This is a quick demo showing how to log into and use the Pulse mobile app for your online classes at PCC. First, when you download the app from the App Store, you'll need to pick your school. You can either pick from the nearby colleges or type in Portland Community College to select it. Next, you'll be asked to log in using your MyPCC username and password. Once you log in, it will download your course information and start to populate the app. This may take a few minutes depending on how many classes you have. While it's downloading the course information, I'll explain what Pulse is and what it is not. Pulse is meant to provide students with an easy set of workflows for when they're on the go. Things like when you're moving between classes or when you're just wanting to check and see what's coming up in the week ahead of you. It does not give you access to all the features of the learning management system, like the quiz tool or the assignment Dropbox. Instead, it focuses on really quick transactions and helps you keep up to date in your classes. There are three areas that we're going to go over. The first is the calendar. It shows a week at a glance and any activities that occur during that week. You can see today there's a Module 2 quiz due in one of my classes. Let's skip ahead to next week where there are more activities. You can see little humps on each of the days that indicate when there's items due. Let's take a look at Monday the 13th. You can see that there are 2 activities due that day, each from a different class because of the color coding on the left side. The Module 3 assignment is due in one class and a tutoring quiz is due in the other class. You can't actually take the quiz in the Pulse app, but you can launch it in Safari or your whatever mobile browser you use, and you could complete it, although it may not be the best experience. We still recommend you use a desktop or a laptop for time-consuming activities like quizzes and assignments. The next area is the course area. It just has a list of the courses available to you and access to the content. It's nothing fancy. There's, again, no access to things like discussion posts, but you can get a quick overview of the files in the content area. If your instructor has used our DL template, the files will actually look pretty good on the mobile device. Here you can see the text wraps and everything in a nice fashion so that you don't have to pinch and zoom and move the page around just to read everything. The last area is the notifications. Here you'll get updates from your courses. In this example, you'll see that a new file was added to one of my classes. You can open the file by tapping Open. You can also look at announcements from your classes, including things like a maintenance window. And the other area is subscriptions. So if you have subscribed to a discussion topic in your class, you'll see responses to it show up here. In this example, you'll see your original post plus any responses to your post below it. Fortunately, you can quickly respond using this interface as well. So if you wanted to add a quick update, you can simply type it in or if you get annoyed typing on the mobile device, you can use the speech-to-text tool, campus, comma. I believe her name was Lynn, period. That's it for the Pulse mobile app. Please see the accompanying blog post for information on how to download it for your iOS or Android device.